Hello, my best vacation. My trip to Medellin. In March 2026, I traveled to Medellin while working remotely, which gave me the flexibility to take short trips on weekends and holidays around Colombia. On the first day, I arrived in the morning at Jose Maria Cordova International Airport, where my friends were waiting for me. From there, we traveled to Guatapé. In Guatapé, we had a delicious lunch, visited several touring attractions, and spent the afternoon at the Malecón, where we enjoyed a refreshing beer. In the evening, we returned to Medellin. Our plan was to go to Provenza to have dinner and drink and cocktail. The next day, we woke up early to explore the city. We visit Pueblito Paisa, Parque Arby, and ending the day in Comuna 13. At night, we went to Volcano Viewpoint, where we have dined and enjoyed the city views. On the third day, I had to attend several meetings and complete my work takes. That same night I returned to Bogota, the city where I fly. Thank you.